Hi, this is Brian Schiff with Functionally Fit. In the prior column, I demonstrated a sliding hip flexion exercise, and in continuation of this hip mobility series, in this column, I'm going to demonstrate sliding hip abduction exercise to really work on promoting increased flexibility throughout the adductor musculature. This is an area that can commonly be strained with athletic activities and tends to be a tighter tissue within the hip. So for this particular exercise, I'm going to start here on the floor. Normally I'll just put a pad underneath the client's stationary leg just for comfort. And then we'll position the right knee directly on top of the slider. So again, the knees are beneath my shoulders. We're going to give them support here to the floor and then slowly slide out to stretch or elongate the groin. Pause, and then we'll kind of bring the slider back in. So it's a slow, deliberate cadence, just allowing the tissue on the right hip to stretch, and then we're coming back in. You can probably adjust the angles a little bit if you want to come back a little bit more to 45-degree angle, just to get a little bit of a different feel. That's fine. Or they can come more straight away. You want to be cautious and comfortable as you do the exercise, that you don't move too rapidly or descend, kind of in a hurry, where you get a ballistic or a hard, fast stretch, where you might actually cause some sort of a strain or an injury itself. So you can do 5 or 10 repetitions, repeat on the other side. 1 to 2 sets is usually a good way to go. This is an excellent way to do hip mobility, prepare the hip for higher level activity, whether it's your strength training workout or an athletic pursuit. It can also be used as part of a corrective exercise program, but a really nice way to give the client control, moving through their range of motion and working on some dynamic flexibility.